Hey guys, you're watching Devin with Merit Excavation RC, and as you see, we are back out on the line. We are going to unbox two trains. The first seller, I'll put a link in their description below. They sell trains and stuff online. I just can't remember the name offhand. I've been up since 3 in the morning. We just drove in from Florida, 8 hours one way, and as soon as we got home, I couldn't resist but to get some packages opened. So the first one is our new Burlington Northern engine here, and this is a, of course, it's a Lionel Burlington Northern. It's a RS-3. So I figured this would be like a good little yarding engine. It runs on, it can run on some really, what it says right here, it can run on like 027 curves, so that's really good. That'll be good for like going in all these switches and stuff like that, pulling cars out. And I was wanting an engine to do that with. So, of course, we'll use it as road power too some. But this will mainly be for switching. As you can see, I'm not prepared at all. I literally came home, take that back, I had to go get some batteries for the line chief remotes because we have two trains and one is something that I've always wanted. So, guys, you know how devastating it would be to drop this out here? That'd be horrible. Look at that. Gotta love it. And the moment we've all been waiting for, one-handed of course. All right, boom. Good and safe. Look at that engine. Guys, look at the detail on that thing. You can even see the little man on the inside. This thing is sick. Okay, so it's only a single motor, which that's fine. So I probably won't use this much as road power. I'll use this just to switch cars. But that's completely fine. I mean, this is a, that's normally what an engine like this, at least if they're on the rail this day and age, that's what they're gonna be used for. It's like switching power. So I'm gonna go get this online and we'll see how it runs. All right, guys, so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Ooh. Oh, this thing's got some good sounds. I wonder if you guys can hear this. Okay. So it's just gonna be great. It's like a little yarder. So heck, let's go ahead and put it in service here. We got a couple cars we can yard up here. Let's see here. Nice. And eventually I'm going to do some videos with just like a full-on yard building video or train building video. But let's see how this thing does toting a couple cars here. I'm going to have to go open up that coupler. So I in no way expect this little train engine here to be able to pull these, you know, pull all these cars around my line. That's just completely unfeasible. But uh-oh, she's torquey. I just derailed a car. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. I wonder if this thing would pull these cars around the line. We could give it a try. Should we? I think so. Let's see if she'll probably have to pull pretty slow. I don't really want to put a strain on this this little engine that could. So it looks like I'm definitely running it long hood right here, what they call. Oh yeah, she does the curve real well. The little engine that could. I'm not going to give it all the beans. I don't want to smoke the motor on this thing. But if it makes a full lap around the track, I'll definitely keep her on the yard side. I had to give it all the power there. Ooh, she's struggling. I went ahead and stopped it. So keep in mind, this is a pretty steep grade right here. I'm gonna start it from a dead stop. This is the steepest grade on the railroad here. And she's torquey. Look at her go. I'm just going real slow. I'm not putting all, a bunch of power to it. I'm gonna go ahead and notch it up just a little bit to the top. Ooh. That's a lot on her. Look at it go though. Dang, that is an excellent little engine. That is the little engine that could. All right guys, you see she is chugging along. It's kind of a struggle on her. This is a pretty heavy train. It's a pretty heavy cars here. Oh yeah, we got wheel slip. I think to prevent any damage to this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and go cut this train in half. I'm not saying that the train couldn't do this job. I just don't want to risk it. That's why we have 6-axle pulling trains, or road diesels I call them. Look at her go. Should go, uh-oh, we gotta stop it here, throw the switch and get this thing back in the yard where it belongs. And like I said, I'm gonna do a full in-depth video eventually of just like yarding and switching and stuff like that. But I just wanted to do a little, a quick little video here. The little engine that could, I'm gonna call it. So, shoot yeah guys. That is it. That's at a dead spot on the track, I think. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.